Hello, we are Elisa, Richard and Melanie. We come from France and we are students in the fourth year of space design at Ensaama school in Paris. So let's present you the project. KidPlay is an eco-responsible micro-architecture that will be deployed during the 2024 Olympic Games in the heart of several Parisian suburbs. Towed by electric bicycles in 1 week of Olympic Games, the trailer is installed in public spaces with existing infrastructures. Throughout the virtual sports, this event allows the inhabitants to participate in their own Olympic Games by reinventing the equipment and creating new rules of play. You will need plywood connectors, butterfly screws, a ratchet strap, and plywood. The purpose of the assembly system is to avoid the degradation of materials by drilling. KidPlay is a micro-architecture that enhances the practice of sports while having an important ecological awareness by reusing all the materials of the event. KidPlay is mainly composed of boxes and wooden panels, assembled with a simple and quick system avoiding drilling. Once the event is over, all the materials will be reusable. The mini-fan zone proposes to the inhabitants to build the event because the construction requires no tools. The KidPlay device offers different convivial spaces around the trailer, broadcasting the event. By twisting sports practices, the project leads the inhabitants to take an interest in different sports in a more relaxed and playful way. By its commitments, the device brings a social equality to meet around the Olympic Games. Adopting KidPlay means doing sports together in an ecological and playful way.